Cool. Yeah, me and Lou are going to play a song, but I just want to play one song before he comes up. And I wrote this last week, and yeah, it's called Alice Dear. So.
Oh yeah.
Love, wait once more for another chance, please. I fucked it up again. No more people make no more mistakes. I just blocked you off the face of the earth, 'cause it hurts when you're hurting. Maybe it would be okay if I was actually there to say I've got nothing to say to make it better, but to hold you now would be any letter I could sing.